Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars .com here in Addison, Illinois. Today, right now, I have this gorgeous, beautiful, restored 1971 Chevrolet Camaro that has been redone. I mean, look at this beautiful, chromed out, aluminum polished engine compartment. It's got a 350 ZZ4 crate motor in it with the front runner set up all in the serpentine area here. It's got air conditioning, aluminum intake. It's got the electric choke for easy start. Beautiful setup with headers, power steering, power disc brakes, aluminum radiator. Inner fenders have been painted a black. And look at the firewall. Okay, look at that reflection on that firewall, guys. Isn't that something? Look at that. Cool, 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 man. Very, very nice setup for a car show, and it's got balls. Yes, it's sitting on Cragars with the Goodyear radial TA tires on it as well. It's just got a great 70s hot rod look to it. I mean, gorgeous, gorgeous yellow paint on the outside. All the door jambs are really, really nice. Inner, outer door jambs. Door panels are custom done. It's got the reclining cargo seats. The back seat has been redone with that yellow stitching. 6x9s in the package tray. Tight, beautiful headliner. Tilt wheel, B&M shifter, tastefully left the center console. Love that. Upgraded up meter gauges, and then the indicator that's right there lights up when you go from park, reverse, neutral, and drive. Vintage air conditioning all set up. You got your tripods here and your triple gauge package right there. Just beautiful and clean all around. I gotta adjust that striker a little bit. Cragar wheels, dual exhaust, chrome is all nice. The trunk has been all fitted and custom done all throughout, guys. Beautiful setup. Like I said, the paint everywhere is gorgeous. Both sides here on the passenger and the driver is in excellent condition. Wait till you hear this thing, man. It sounds as nice as it looks. Look at this. My guys tuned it here at MGM. They serviced it. There's the cow tag all in place. 5252 for the color code. You guys can do your homework on that. All right. Does that sound great? Oh, baby. Everything functions. Beautiful, beautiful car. I'll get that squeaky noise out. It's in the serpentine belt. I'll make sure that's taken care of. It didn't do it earlier, but now it does. There you have it, guys. 71 beautiful Camaro ready for the next home. Give us a call or text at 847-848-1850. And I'll get you a quote for delivery right to your driveway. We are insured for the purchase price of the vehicle. Gotta admit, this is one bad machine, guys. And if you need financing, don't worry. We have low payments with long terms available. And you can see that at mgmclassiccars.com. My name is Thomas. Please get in touch with me. My phone number is 847-848-1850. Thank you.